Good day, viewers, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to combine these perfumes. If you are a woman and you find out that you want a mate, like a boyfriend, a husband in your life, and it's very, very hard for you to get, this is the key again, also that can be used. And what is it that you need so that you have what the note of victory, and what the person will come into your life quicker and better. So this one is to what for general love, for general favor, for general prosperity. This is Comb Herbal TV. If you're a new person here, I want you to subscribe and share. This one was requested by my white lady friends in America, Baltimore, and New York, and they decided to show the secret. And another white lady of mine in Canada decided to show the secret. So that I've been sending them a lot of these products. I don't know that the whites do like this. So what you do is that if you want to have that favor to be able to get the attention of any man or woman, if you're a lady, a woman, you want to get a future husband of your choice, this is the secret you do. You get one of these Ya Salam perfumes. I have a lot of them. They sent plenty to me from my friends in Dubai. You get the Al Salam perfume. This one, if you're a woman and you need a man, you get this one, Al Salam perfume. Very powerful golden perfume. Wow, beautiful. I don't joke with it. So you get this one, Al Salam. That's if you're a woman, you want to get a man. You get this one, been to Sudan, and mix it. I get in it. This is Comb Herbal TV. Hi to my mistress Caroline. My mistress Caroline in Britain. Shout out to you. My mistress Catherine in Baltimore. My mistress Laura in America. Our friends and family. Yeah, man. So you get this one too. Been to Sudan. If you're a lady, a woman, you want to get this man, you get this one. Then you get this one. I'm not a person that will just be there and tell you, call me and I'll mix it for you. I can show you. If you can't find it, that you can tell me. But I just tell you can go to the African market and get it. Some will say, come to me before I will do it for you, this mixture for you, before you can use it and what, get your favor. That's why I'm showing you life. Money is not my problem. I can command money physical, bill of euros and of dollars physical. But I don't want to do it on YouTube and to be like I'm scamming. I don't scam. I'm a prince. If you know me well, you change your mind and stop negative thinking. So if this one is for a woman who wants to get a man, you get this one Al Salam. You get the Bint Sudan. You get your what 6 flowers. This one will let a woman get the lover of his choice. You see, I'm showing the real thing. Someone will say, come to me, I will go show like two, and say the two remaining perfumes, come and I'll what? Show you, I'll mix it for you, and you pay this $50,000, $10,000 before the, some are doing it. I don't do that. See, I'm showing you clearly, so that you do it yourself and be happy. Sometimes when I'm delaying your product doesn't mean, sometimes there's some spiritual issue concerning things. Sometimes some people they send some more money is delaying, and I see that the person is worrying me. I'll send you back. If I see that I didn't buy all the things, I can send you some of the money back. I don't want disturbance. If you have to be patient with spiritual products, then you get your Yawa Dudu. I get in it. I'm going to mix the Yawa Dudu, Ya Salam, Al Salam, been to Sudan, and what? The original 6 flowers. This one is for a lady who wants to get a future husband, who wants to get favor. Men will see you, they'll love you, and you have peace with men. The men will favor you, you get prosperity from men, you get the man of your choice, and you are happy in life. So this one is for what? The woman. That's why you get Yawa Dudu, you get your Al Salam, you get your Bin to Sudan. Let me show you the bottle so you not miss it. Then you get a Bin to Sudan, then you get what? Your original 6 flowers perfume. Mix them together. I get in it. And pray Psalm 47, Psalm 65. I get in it. On it. If you're a Muslim, you mix them together. You pray Yahweh Dudu 2,222 times. You pray Walketu Aleka Muhibatin Nini 2,222 times. Then you pray Kahana Hunu Yakutu Wal Marjano 2,222 times. Are you getting it? Then you pray this one. Too. Are you getting it? Then you recite Ya Allah, Ya Jamilu, Ya Allah, Ya Jamilu, Ya Nuru. Then you get your and make and the anointing small drop in your hands before going out after bathing. You get the lover of your choice. That's if you are a woman. If you are a man, what will you get? If you are a man, what will you do? You get your what? If you are a man, you want to get the lover of your choice. You want to get the lovers of your choice, the woman of your choice. You get your salam perfume here. You get our salam perfume. Are you getting it? You get your baraka, al baraka perfume. This is the original one too. I get for a man. Oh, you get what? This one. Bintu Habash perfume. If a man want to get the future wife of his choice, these are the ones you use. Bintu Habash, al baraka, ya salam. This one, your 6 flowers, you also add here. I get in it. Then add Dangoma. These are the 5 perfumes you are going to, a man you are going to get. And you do the prayers that I told you and mix as the woman prayers and be using them. You surely get a woman of your choice. The woman will love you and you'll be happy. And you will WhatsApp me and tell me that it's working and you are favored. So these are my white friends, my white lady friends in America who has to show the secret. Laura, Catherine, I see that I've shown you the secret in America. She's a serious entrepreneur in America. Laura. Shout out to Laura, shout out to Caroline, Dennis Williams, my good friends in Britain too. Yeah, man. So this is the secret. So you see that I have a lot of the perfumes. I have a lot of the perfumes here. Yeah, and play many. A lot of every day I'm using them for my spiritual products. My subscribers, a lot of my subscribers in Burkina Faso, Nigeria, always what? Coming, collecting some. Giving some to my friends. I have a lot of them. So I always give to my friends and family. These are powerful perfumes. They are original. Sent from Dubai. I don't joke with them. Yeah. Sometimes someone look ordinary. But if some of us want to start showing you who we are, our parents and our code, you know that these are not ordinary guys who are on YouTube. I'm not on YouTube because I want YouTube to be paying me and I'm lying and deceiving people every day with some simple lies formulas. I'm giving you the concrete formulas so that you have the note of victory. I'm not in because of YouTube paying me. I have money. So this is the real secret and I'm going to be getting more. I'm a billionaire. I'm having my enterprises. My father is there, rich. My uncle's properties have been given. Oh, Charlie, I don't talk plenty things. So this is Come Herbal TV. I want everybody to be blessed and be prosperous. So long life, prosperity upon me. Long life, prosperity upon my bloodline. Long life, prosperity upon my subscribers. We will all live in prosperity. No evil will touch us. We'll grow up to old age. Any weapon fashioned or enemy against me and my family and subscribers, anyone wishing us evil, fire will burn that person and his family and bloodline. May long life be upon me and my subscribers. May prosperity be upon my viewers, my lovely viewers and subscribers. May we live in prosperity and have the blessings of Abraham. Any evil force of the enemy against I and my subscribers, my family, my descendants, any evil force of the enemy against us will backfire. And we shall live in victory forever. Long life upon me and my subscribers forever. Up to old age. We build houses, buy private jets. Yeah, man.